Hi everyone, this is Yin from Craftiviti, and we get a lot of questions about our Experience Center, which is this bar over here that we have at our Centerpoint outlet. Now, if you're on this page, you're already wondering that you want to make something. So this is the spot for you to make something. The menu is on this page and it is also here. The Crafty Experience Center is a 30 to 45 minute quick activity where you learn how to make soaps, candles, resin coasters, bath bombs, lip balms. The menu will continue to change as we curate and create better and better options for you to play with. Now, this Experience Center is beginner friendly. It is a complete DIY experience. You learn a new craft that can help you as a hobby or to have a side hustle to earn extra income, extra money. You can learn how to make candles and sell them or bath bombs. And everything at this bar, the tools and materials are provided to you. So all you need to do is come in, sit down and start making. We will have somebody here that has the knowledge to guide you patiently and gently hold your hand while you experience this wonderful activity for the next 30 to 45 minutes, depending on what you pick. Now, it's a quick touch and go experience where you get to firsthand experience and learn something that doesn't need a lot of time and resources for you to do. So it's a great activity for you to do on a weekend, or if you have an hour free, just come on by, learn something new. Incidentally, we have a class creating resin coasters today, and everybody just sat down and make. You can come as one person, you can come with your friend, or you can come with a group of people. It can take up to 12 people here. But for bigger, larger bookings, please email us at enquiry@craftiviti.com. For smaller bookings, you can go onto this page and click to book your slot for 25 ringgit. The 25 ringgit gets you a reservation here, allows the trainer to know that you're coming, and then this slot is booked for that hour that you selected on the day that you select. And then when you do come in, all you have to do is pick from the sets that we have over here. You can pick it on the spot and pay for this extra set on the spot. And so your 25 ringgit along with this set price is your entire experience. Or if you wish to take a chance, you don't want to do the pre-booking, just walk on in. If there is a slot available, you can sit down and pay the full price right here. So I hope we've answered all your questions on Craftiviti's Experience Center. Wonderful place to learn. Come and take a look at what we have right now. Now this changes all the time, but for now we have butterfly soap, bath bombs, aroma hanger. You learn how to make a resin coaster, lip balm, soy wax candles, whipped soap. We may be changing this, so it will take some time to change this. We can make a bubble candle or insect repellent. As you say, we've got more things coming soon and it's always changing. So I hope you get a good full experience and do join us over here at Craftiviti. See you soon.